This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by State Farm Insurance.
Well, over the weekend, we flipped another page on the calendar, and did you know in November, according to State Farm Insurance, you are more likely to collide with a deer than any other month of the year?
When it comes to deer collisions, Delaware ranks 24th in the country. That means that you have a 1 in 150 chance of being in a deer collision. Maryland ranks 17th. You've got a 1 in 121 chance. Virginia ranks 9th. You've got a 1 in 88 chance of colliding with a deer. Well, Delmarva Life Sean Stryker joins us with a few things that you should be on the lookout for to help you avoid that accident. Sean?
Yeah, Jimmy and Lisa, well, I'm on the side of Route 50 about halfway in between Salisbury and Ocean City, but the thing is, a deer collision can happen anywhere. It happened to me one night. I was driving down the road, thought it was clear, but the deer came out of nowhere and I hit it. I'm here with Greg Riddell from State Farm Insurance. Now, Greg, deer collisions, you're telling me they're on the rise. They're becoming common and expensive.
Yeah, there are 3% more of them this year. And Sean, they're significantly more expensive, 14% more expensive than they were last year.
Yeah, $3,888 is the average claim, and that's quite a chunk of change.
And if you think about it, if that's average, there's a lot more that were more than that.
Now, when it comes to deer, they're wild animals, so obviously we can't control them. So there are a couple things that drivers should know about deer in general.
The first thing is they tend to run in packs, so be careful, because if you see one, you're probably going to see another. Be very careful around the most difficult times of day. Dusk and dawn are when the deer are going to be out. If you have your high beams on and you catch a deer, try to shift to your low beams because they'll panic and dart out in front of you.
Yeah, they're unpredictable. They're wild animals. That's just what we want to. Everyone needs to know that. So you said a couple things that a driver can do to keep themselves safe. There's also a lot of other things.
Yeah, the most important thing is to obviously be alert when you're in the area, when you know something's happening. There are some mechanical ways you can try to take care of it, but if you rely on those things, you're probably setting yourself up for disappointment.
Yeah, seat belts too. That's just an obvious thing.
Yes, seat belts are important in any accident. Deer whistles, on the other hand, if you carry those on the front of your car, our research seems to indicate they don't necessarily work.
And avoid swerving. That's something that people might not know.
Yeah, if you think about it, if I hit a deer, that's going to be a significant impact. But if I swerve to avoid the deer and I go into oncoming traffic, or if I hit a tree, which is a stationary object in the ditch, I'll do a whole lot more damage.
And when you're driving, it's really just important to scan the road. Obviously, the deer are going to be coming in from the sides. They're not going to be, well, chances are they're not going to be standing in the middle of the road.
You said it. They are as unpredictable as any animal we know.
So here's the thing. You had mentioned there are some things out there, deer whistles, just you can't really rely on them though.
That's the problem. There's a lot of things we try to do, deer fences along the side of the road. If you as a driver start to get a false sense of security because you're using those mechanisms, if you expect that to help you, as I say, our research indicates it probably is not going to.
Yeah, so you rely on yourself, rely on your own two eyes, and just be diligent on scanning the road. Now, unfortunately, it's gonna happen. People are going to hit deer. What do we do in the case of a deer collision?
Well, handle it like any other accident. If there's injuries, obviously address those first. Make sure that you document things, take pictures if you need to, call the police, have them come out and actually document the fact there was an accident. And it involved a live animal. That animal is not necessarily killed in the accident, and we know a wounded animal is the most dangerous thing you can deal with, and deer are very strong. Don't go approach it. It's liable to kick you and you'll end up with more injuries than you did from the accident.
Yeah, so don't approach that animal. Greg, thanks so much for those tips, and if you want to read them again, and if you want to read more about State Farm Insurance, you can visit our website, WBOC.com, and click on our picture at the top of the page. Now, Jimmy and Lisa, you know, we just want to remember these are wild animals, so you have to be on the lookout for them. I'll send it back to you guys.
Absolutely. They're unpredictable before you hit them. They're unpredictable after you hit them.
Yep.
Just expect the unexpected.
Expect the unexpected.